Hello, this is Introducing Me by Kaylee Spees. So, who am I? I'm a full time student at Hack, a full time employee at TDY Medical Staffing in Nanola. I was born and raised in Perry County in a little town called Duncannon, and I love working with and teaching children. So, what are my hobbies? I love to exercise, which includes hiking, lifting, yoga, and whatever else I can get my hands onto. I also love reading on my free time, thrillers and the classics. My favorite is Catcher in the Rye. Um, and I love drawing and painting. I usually draw on my sketchbook and paint on canvases whenever I have the time. And I love watching 80s movies, especially any movie with Molly Ringwald. My absolute favorite is The Breakfast Club. So why am I majoring in early childhood / elementary education? I feel that I have a very outgoing personality and I'm always full of energy, which is, of course, a big hit in the classrooms with smaller children. I love teaching children new things. Once I did my internship my senior year with kindergarten, it was just an amazing feeling seeing a child being able to write their name after you help them. I also love that it gives me a chance to make a difference for children, just teaching them, and they teach me as well. And then I also grew up babysitting with my mom, so my mom would be babysitting a lot of kids, and I would help out, and it was just kind of where I found my passion for it. And then words that I would use to describe myself, I would say I'm energetic, I'm lighthearted, outgoing, hardworking, and passionate, which I feel are all things you need to work with children every day. And then this is a picture of me. So thank you for your time, and I'm looking forward to learning with all of you this semester. Thank you.